Greetings to you all. It is me, the super genius who proved beautiful girls like big brains. During my life I discovered some pretty wonderful things, but nothing as fantastic as Goody-Wish. What is Goody-Wish, I hear you ask? Well, to put it simply, it is the most wondrous invention that lets people create their very own gift wish list. Why, the potential for such a thing is enormous. Just think, being able to let all of your friends know exactly what gifts you would like for that special occasion. Why, the days of stressing over what present to get for someone would be over. Imagine a world where instead of trying to figure out what gift to get for someone, all one had to do was to check out their friend's Goody-Wish page and simply choose from their wish list. The sheer thought of it makes me want to shake it like a Polaroid picture. So what are you waiting for? Stop wasting time and start posting up your goodies.